This story's title is What My Daddy Loves by Raissa Figueroa. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My daddy loves starting the day with me. Up, up, up. My daddy loves eating with me. He munches while I crunches. My daddy loves playing with me. Ready, set, run away. Nobody makes me laugh like him. My daddy loves discovering with me. He can't wait to see what I see. My daddy loves trying new things with me. He pushes me far and wide. My daddy loves studying with me. When can we go out and play? My daddy loves building with me. We build our world together. My daddy loves exploring with me. He always cries, full speed ahead. My daddy loves sitting with me. He knows I need the quiet sometimes. My daddy loves creating with me. He tickles my ears with his songs. My daddy loves fixing things with me. There's nothing my daddy can't fix. My daddy loves growing with me. One day I will be just like him. My daddy loves dreaming with me. Not even the moon is as big as a dream. I love my daddy, and I know that what my daddy loves most of all is me. The end. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.